Welcome! If you've ever wanted to quickly find all the photos, videos, and other media you've shared with someone on WhatsApp, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to view all shared media with a contact, making it simple to relive your favorite moments or track down that important file. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Once you're in, scroll through your chats and tap on the conversation with the contact whose shared media you want to view. This could be a friend, family member, or even a group chat. Just make sure you select the right one. At the top of the chat screen, you'll see the contact's name or their profile photo. Tap on it. This will open up the contact's information page where you'll find all sorts of details about your chat, including settings, notifications, and more. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Media, Links, and Docs. Go ahead and tap on this. It's your gateway to everything you've shared in this chat. Photos, videos, links, and documents all neatly organized in one place. To focus only on the media files, look for the Media tab at the top of this section and tap on it. Instantly, you'll see a gallery view of every photo and video exchanged between you and this contact. You can scroll through, tap on any image or video to view it in full screen, or even save your favorites to your device. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can easily access and enjoy all the shared media in any WhatsApp chat. No more endless scrolling through messages or searching for that one special photo. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks to make the most of your WhatsApp experience. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.